Vanakkam, Namaste, hello. Welcome to Tiposi Tales.
Actually, this place, this whole thing is covering. Sunrise happening there. इधर कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
Arey, that's a hug-worthy tree. Today is the last day here. I am excited to leave. Um, Agenda is go back, complete a little bit of work, uh, leave with a laptop to nearby empty lands and under trees that I really like. I need that. My soul is craving it, and I am starting to miss it. So, today is a lazy day. I don't want to do much. Traveling tomorrow. Uh, Tomorrow back to Jorhat. As in, I don't know if we will reach tomorrow or day after tomorrow in the first half, but agenda is to try. And Christmas, we should be in Kohima. I have seen Meghalaya Christmas multiple times now, and it's time for Nagaland. No, not trying to set a forest fire, but apparently this wood is it's pine wood, just pure pine wood. That's it.
जीरो वैली में तो नहीं करते इसमें इतना दिन में धूप में सुखाएगा ना और ये वही निकलेगा इसमें स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. अच्छा. ये अभी जंगल में नहीं चले या फायर प्लेस पे हमारा ऊपर में रखने से इतना छोटा टुकड़ा आपको 5-10 मिनट जलेगा. हाँ. ऐसा करके रखो बुझेगा भी नहीं. अभी थोड़ा कच्चा है ना इसलिए वो ड्राई होना है. सुखा के आराम से हम लोग ऐसा थोड़ा एक पीस का 1 महीना मान लो कि ये 1 महीना चलेगा. सच्ची थोड़ा थोड़ा निकल के आग जलाने के लिए इसका पैर के लिए. हाँ पतला इसी पतला जैसा करके.
So if I have to
You dry it at sun only.
dry and take patla pieces.
Then cut it into small pieces like incense stick.
ये पाइन ट्री हम बोला है ना.
This you can put in my bag. मेरा zip है ऊपर. I was telling take that.
लेके जाओ मामा को दे दो. इसका वजह से जीरो वैली में हम लोग मच्छर नहीं होता है, मलेरिया नहीं होता. आज जहाँ तक तो ये पाइन ट्री जलाता है ना, इसका धुआं का इसका जो स्मेल से पूरा भाग जाता है.
मांजुली समर में ट्राई करना चाहिए. So much mosquitoes there. Oh my god. Came out on my own and I'm already smiling. People do not understand how much alone time is important for certain people. I am that person who needs alone time. And when I said I need alone time, they got worried. They were worried so much. They told me to keep the mobile on and data on. The guide made me by heart his name. They don't even know that I have already marked the location in map, and I have always functioned with a map and not with human beings. So I'm excited. And the kid gave me a chocolate for Christmas. There's, I told you, 7 kids, all very beautiful, very sweet, smart. So this is my day today. Let's see how it goes. Is famous for paddy cultivation alongside with fish cultivation. And right now I'm at the nurseries. So these land spaces that you see, the barricades distinguish and differentiate different owners, and such land is costlier than normal land. And right now the babies are coming up. January they will be transferred to the actual paddy fields where irrigation is by men taken care of. And it's a very interesting concept. I have never heard about it before, didn't even know about it before I came here. Did not do any research, did not watch any vlog, none of that. So yeah, and it's pretty also. The sky is insane here. The clouds. Laughing so much for so many days. My throat is aching. But I was heading towards something, and then I saw something else. This road. I'm gonna go down, check what it is. I'm just totally loitering. I do not have an agenda, and I don't want to be with a guide. Baked papaya that I ate for breakfast in the morning was so sweet. Nothing was added. It just nusa pani and then steamed properly, and it was so bloody sweet. So sweet. I don't know where I'm entering, but I like the vibe. So I simply came out without an agenda, and I thought I'll call the lady that I met in the bus from Itanagar. She's sweet. She suggested me to go someplace, but I did not understand, and it would require a car, so I'm not doing that. Randomly walked into a road that I liked, which led to another road that I liked, and now I'm here. Looks like an abandoned village. No clue what it is. Dear planet, ignore and protect if I'm at the wrong space. Thank you. Oh, this is shaman stuff. I think I should not be here. I think I will buzz off because I saw that. I'm sorry. अभी किसी को पकड़ के पूछना है मैं किधर आई. I stamped on Gobar also. Awesome. और क्या चाहिए जिंदगी में, नहीं? दूध सारे घर अबैंडन क्यों हैं? शामन साहब देख के तो मेरा फट गया. Apparently, the shamans get to know in a dream that they're going to be shamans. They can cast spells and stuff. Really, मेरी दिल, I'm telling you, asking me to go into lanes that I do not trust. क्या रास्ता भी नहीं है. मुर्गी इक्वल टू गंदगी बट किसी के घर का पपाया. My voice and came running. Hello, baby. Is this entire village abandoned or something? Dude, I'm lost. I think. It's okay, call कर दूंगी. तो फिर किसी को पूछ लूंगी, हाईवे निकल जाऊंगी, चर्च ढूंढ दूंगी और फिर मिशी वाला गेट. I am in a bamboo garden. This also is a first experience. I have never been in a bamboo garden before. Okay. The owner took permission, entered his bamboo garden. People have bamboo gardens. मेरा balcony garden नहीं survive किया. I wasn't actually getting to interact with local people. Like, it was just one human who was driving us around places, and I hate traveling like that. That's not traveling. Sorry if you don't mind, but according to me, it's not traveling. I need to know the roads, local houses, local businesses. Look at what they're eating, what they're doing. What I was getting was an orchestrated, I can't even say that word. You know what I mean. Yeah, planned out layout of what my day is going to be like. I don't want to buy that. अभी मैं अगर गोल गोल घूम रही हूँ and वापस I reach that shaman वाला setup, it'll be funny. यार फोटो ভাল হবো. তুলো নেকি ফটো কেইখনমান? At all making, I mean, this is all algae and stuff that I don't see and know, but it's making me happy because there's colors, I guess. The sun and moon religion still exists. There's a lot of followers here, and it's that flag. There's a sun and moon temple also. We didn't enter that. I don't know why. Just didn't enter. But I don't know what their beliefs are, but I just like the fact that it's sun and the moon.
I'm taking a video. You can screenshot.
It's too far for me. I I've never wrote this.
Today you will. There's a first time for every maybe the typical one. This is also same. It's also same, no?
No.
Try? I don't know. नहीं मैं आपको करूं वो फोटोज डायरेक्टली मेरे में आ जाते हैं
हाँ ऐसा वही तो कुछ सिस्टम से आपका मोबाइल में जाने के लिए
एक मिनट
अच्छा मेरे
you wanted photos
gale mana do mala gale
क्या
gale mana
Okay, this is matching with mine, yeah?
I am also matching with my shawl. Matching.
यहाँ में
क्या है गाना क्या है
अच्छा
हाँ
दामिना दामिना दामिना
ये फोक डांस होता है
पताजी दामिना lu tak kurang ni
खुल गया तेरा लुंगी खुल गया
salah salah
कैमरा ओके हाँ फोटो DSLR से खींचो
but you are not taking it properly DSLR पता नहीं सब में मेरा आंखें बंद है एक में तो
आप पोस्ट अच्छे से नहीं करता बस आप कम करना है कैमरा के पास में हम पढ़ा है थोड़ा पढ़ा है
Let's do one thing.